to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I'm gonna show you a card that my mom has made with the printables of Sherlock Holmes, my own printables. So let me show you. So let me check it out, guys. So this opens to the left and here she added two nice little tags in here, and then this flips to the right, and here she also have made a nice pocket with, oh, I love these twined, perfect color, Mom, perfect, so cute. So nice tags in here. You can add a nice picture right here, because who wants to throw these nice cards away? Never ever do that. Wow, so cute. Love it, Mom. And then this flips also to the left. And you can call this a card. This is so much to see. Alright, and then here you have created some tags. So cool. And this flips down, it's magnetic closure. Then we have here a few other tags in here. Love these ones, absolutely stunning. So cool. And then for the back, what's on the back? Another card in here and another, oh, that's a big tag. Alright, that goes all the way down. Perfect. So cool. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's a big tag. So you can put this right here on your desk with all the pictures on here if you like to add this. Oh my goodness, Mom, you did amazing. Love it. So cool. So much tags. Pocket. Here is a big pocket. Here you have, I do love flippables. You still can put something in here. Pocket. Now you know where I have it from, guys. You will see. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. I did give my mom some printables where we were working with, and some colors I needed to change, and yeah, I could throw all those worn printables away, but I just gave them to my mom, and she liked them so much that she wanted to play with it, and so she made this card with it. As you can see, this color is not coming in the collection. It's a different, so we changed it. Oh my gosh, love it. I want to see if there is anything else. This color is definitely a different one. Here you see that bicycle. Yeah, it's so cool. This one is another color. So cool. But anyway, I hope you like this card. Give my mom a big thumbs up. Mom, you do so nice things. And yeah, we and papers. That's a good combination. I definitely know where I have it from, guys. Yeah, we all have one big creative family. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye, Mom. Thank you.